Welcome to our YouTube channel, Clipping Images. Now, start our lesson. Fist. Open the Adobe Photoshop software. Removing the background and create drop shadow from product images is a common task in e-commerce to create clean and professional-looking product photos. Adobe Photoshop provides powerful tools for background removal. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve this. 1. Open the image. Open your image in Adobe Photoshop. 2. Create a path layer. Create a path layer for clipping path from Path window. 3. Select the Pen tool. The Pen tool is the most commonly used tool for creating clipping paths. Select it from the toolbox or press P on your keyboard. 4. Zoom in. Zoom in on the area you want to clip to get a more precise result. 5. Start creating the path. Click on the edge of the object you want to clip. This will create an anchor point. Continue clicking along the object's edges, and use the handles on the anchor points to adjust the curve of the path. Six. Complete the path. Once you've outlined the entire object, close the path by clicking on the initial anchor point. This will create a closed shape. Seven. Make a selection. Right-click on the path and choose Make Selection. Set the feather radius to 0.2 pixels and click OK. 8. Create a layer mask. After making a selection, click the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. This will hide the background and isolate the clipped object or shortcut Ctrl+J. 9. Fine-tune the edges. Use the Refine Edge tool for more complex edges. You can access this tool by right-clicking on the selection and choosing Select and Mask. This allows you to adjust the edge, smoothness, and feather of the selection. Shadow creation. 10. Duplicate the layer. Right-click on the selected area and choose Layer via Copy or Layer via Cut. 11. Create a new layer. Create a new layer beneath the duplicated layer. This will be your shadow layer. Transform and blur. With the shadow layer selected, go to Edit, Transform and adjust the size and angle of the shadow. Apply a Gaussian blur, filter, blur, Gaussian blur, to the shadow layer to soften it. Adjust opacity. Reduce the opacity of the shadow layer to make it more realistic. You can do this in the Layers panel. 14. Refine and erase. Use the eraser tool to refine the shadow edges and make it blend seamlessly with the background. 15. Final touches. Adjust the overall brightness and contrast of the image if necessary. Finally, save this image. Save the image in an appropriate file format, PSD or PNG, transparent background. Please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.